In today's video, we will be discussing a video that definitely went viral for some really great reasons on TikTok, and this is something that we are all too familiar with in the business. So let's just get into this content and just talk about why this is something that really needs to be discussed even more.
So you guys keep requesting to see dirty lashes being cleaned. So here is a video of me cleaning these dirty lashes. Well, trying to clean them anyway. Once your lashes get to this point of unclean, there is no cleaning. Cleaning will not work. I am scrubbing the life out of these lashes, and look at all the gunk that is still there. Scrub, scrub, scrub. It doesn't work. These need to be removed, and her natural lashes are going to be so damaged it's not worth the damage. So you guys keep requesting to see dirty lashes being cleaned. So here is a video of me cleaning these dirty lashes. Well, trying to clean them anyway. Once your lashes get to this point of unclean, there is no cleaning. Cleaning will not work. I am scrubbing the life out of these lashes, and look at all the gunk that is still there. Scrub, scrub, scrub. It doesn't work. These need to be removed, and her natural lashes are going to be so damaged it's not worth the damage.
Well, welcome to Carolina Eye Candy, where we are all about lashes, brows, and skin. So, as you have seen, and you continue to see in this video, this is a situation where someone who does lashes, and she goes by the name of IPS Beauty, posted on TikTok, and it's gotten millions of views. And she said you guys have been asking to see a video of me cleaning lashes, so this is an attempt to clean lashes, but I'm not really sure how far this is going to go, because once you get to this point, it's kind of fruitless. And so you can see her using the cleansing brush and the cleanser to just swirl around the lashes, really just get into the eyelashes at the follicle level and really just give it a good massage. And to be honest with you, I believe that this client is loving the way that this feels, because it doesn't look like this person really made any efforts to clean their lashes ever once they got their eyelash extensions done. And this is a huge no-no. I can tell you, as the owner and creator of this business, when I started many years ago, the thought and what was shared with the clients on behalf of the stylist, and this was something that was taught by the eyelash extensions training companies, was that they need to keep their lashes dry for 24 hours. But not only that, do not shower for 24 hours. And I never agreed with that. So I always made sure that the lashes were clean where they were coming in, and the eye area was clean before performing their first set of full lash extensions being applied. And then I recommended, yes, take your shower, take your bath. You need to be cleansing your body. You need to cleanse your face, but just use some care when you are cleaning your face so that you're not scrubbing your lashes or you're not getting them wet in that 24-hour period, if you can prevent it. But if you get them wet, just try your best not to drench them or soak them in water, because cleanliness is more important than having beautiful lashes. And so if someone gets to this point when their lashes are just extremely cruddy, built up with grime, I'm sure it's a combination of eyes watering while they're sleeping. Maybe they have a congenital issue with their eyes, and this is something that causes some sort of pus or leakage to come from their eyes. Maybe they're using some sort of medicated eye drops that's causing this accumulation to crust around the lashes, and that is not a good thing. So they probably would have been hard pressed to even be a good candidate for eyelash extensions if their lashes are going to be this way. They probably would have been a better candidate if they are into wearing lashes to maybe wear eyelash strips where you are removing them every day and you're making sure that you're cleansing your lashes so that this does not happen. And this is something that we have definitely seen before in our business, and unfortunately some people like to blame the application of the lashes being done to have caused this, but this is not caused by the application of the eyelash extensions. This is clearly product and leakage from the client's eyes that has not been cared for, that has not been cleansed, that has built up, and there has been no effort or care put into the cleaning of the lashes that has caused this buildup to happen. So yes, it looks like this person would be a better candidate for eyelash extensions removal, a really good cleansing, scrubbing, and going over what exactly are you doing with your lashes and your eyes at home. Do you have any eye issues where you may be having leakage coming from your eyes during the day or possibly when you are asleep? And these are things that need to be asked of the client so that they don't feel that they are wasting their money and making the investment and time and money of getting their eyelash extensions done when all it's going to do is result in them having to have their eyelash extensions removed. So it's all in the education and just making sure that everyone is on the same page, because trust and believe, it is frustrating as a service provider to provide someone with a beautiful set of eyelash extensions, and when they come in for their maintenance, it looks like this. No one gets any glory in someone wasting their money. The client definitely doesn't get any glory in that, and I can attest as the owner of a business and operator of a business as well, we don't want to have people come in and waste their money when they're not going to be taking proper care of their eyelash extensions. And it's really no different than having a plastic surgery procedure done. If you're not going to take the time to take the care and follow up that you need to make sure that you have the full outcome that you are desiring from investing in that plastic surgery procedure, then you probably shouldn't do it at all.